So, what is Meet Me in the Bible? It is a simple 5-step framework to help you read your Bible and help you lead others to do the same. My name is Colleen Searcy, and during my 20 plus years of ministry, I've found that countless women do Bible studies, and yet few feel confident opening the Bible and reading it on their own. And although many women desire to lead and even teach a Bible study, few feel equipped to do so. Perhaps this resonates with you. And if so, I've designed the Meet Me in the Bible series with you in mind. This Bible study series is unique in that it is not a fill-in-the-blank study. Rather, it provides a doable 5-step framework to help you read your Bible. It is not a video-driven Bible study, allowing Bible teachers and small group leaders to shape the teaching or the discussion with their participants in mind, while still giving them a beautifully designed book to work in. Each Meet Me in the Bible book is packed with tools to help you study. Tools like maps, a simple Bible timeline to help orient you to the whole story of the Bible, a bookmark with prompts to help guide you as you read your Bible. There are discussion questions at the back of each book. And one of my favorite features is each book includes the Bible text to mark as you study. Meet Me in the Bible studies allow flexibility. They are effective across the kitchen table and in church auditoriums. My hope is for you and those studying alongside you to enjoy getting to know God better and better as you study His Word. He wants to meet you in the study of your Bible.